Welcome to a new review video. In this video I'll be taking a look at the Harry's starter kit here. This is for men that want to shave their face. There is an alternate blade that you can use to shave your head, and that is also available on the harrys.com website. But here I'm showing the Truman starter kit here with the 2 ounce of shave gel, which you can lather up into a nice foam or gel-like foam that is nice and thick, and it cushions for a smooth shave, and that says it right there on the bottle, and that is true. I like the logo there, the woolly mammoth. But let's take a closer look at the blade and the handle. So here's the blue rubber handle. They also make a metal handle for your razor blade, and this is cheaper, obviously, but it is good quality. It doesn't feel too flexible or anything like that. It seems really sturdy. You can have the Harry's logo there on the movable blades. You got 5 blades on here. You can tailor. Sorry about the lighting here. We got one bulb that's a different color than all the rest. Anyways, so this is what comes with the starter package here. With your subscription, you can tailor it to your liking. And your first order is inexpensive. It just depends on what you want. Then you can start. When you open an account, you can put into the website what you want for your second shipment, which is the start of your subscription. You can add in body wash, bar soap, an additional bottle of shave gel if you wish to your order. Post shave balm, and I believe Harry's offers a few other items. So I'll show you guys what I got in my first order, and that is a 6 ounce of shave gel. It's the same as the small one, just the same product, just more of it, obviously. And 8 of Harry's blades. You can, let me see here. Blades are nice there. And you just open it up, and it looks like this, opened up. And it's easily closable. Nice sturdy packaging. You can reuse I guess if you wanted to. Very cool. I like it. It's better than the other guys. But yes, these blades along with the shave gel will give you probably the closest shave you've ever had. This product has done that for me. You might be able to shave other body parts with this other than your face, but not your head. Harry's does offer a specific blade for that, for shaving your head, a special one. But yes, great package here, very affordable. It's a little bit cheaper than what the other guys have to offer, the big name brands. And there are other smaller companies that offer shaving products like this. I'm not going to name them, you'll have to find them on your own, because this is not a promotional video. This is just, a review. And if I decide to buy the post-shave balm by Harry's, or the bar soap, I will, and I'll review those things in a separate video. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this product, go ahead and ask in the comment section down below, and I will get back to questions and comments as soon as possible. So I thank you for watching.